Alright, here we go, Chapter 1, Day 1. Let's see what we're doing here. Alright, well, first thing we have is a little vocabulary. When you right-click on this guy and then click on this thing, and it gives you some information, that's called the method signature. It's a description of each method shown in the object menu, including the return type, the method name, and the parameter list. So this right here that we're looking at, that thing in blue, that is the method signature. Write that down. Alright, now let's do an exercise. Place a wombat a good number of leaves into the world, and then invoke a wombat's act method several times. What does the act method do? How does it differ from the move method? And it does differ, so if you can't figure it out, call me over. So let's take a look. So basically what we're trying to figure out is, if we right click on this guy and say act, what does that do, and how is that different from just the plain old move method? Okay, and if you need help, call me over and I'll help you do that. Alright, here's the next exercise. Place a wombat and a good number of leaves into the world, and then click the Act button in the execution controls near the bottom of the green foot window. Do it several times. What does this do? What's the difference between clicking the Act button and invoking the Act method? What does the Run button do? And write out the step-by-step instructions that are in the Run button. And I want this to be very detailed. I want you to write out like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and tell me step-by-step what is it telling it to do. Okay, and that's going to be worth a lot of points, so do a great job on that. Alright, so if you don't understand any of this, what I'm saying is, so we have our wombat here, and we have our act method that we can invoke. We also have the act button and the run button. What's the difference between this, and this? And then on the run button, okay, I want you to write some step-by-step instructions. Exactly what is this thing doing? Okay. Okay, and now so you're going to go on to asteroids, and then you're going to hand in wombats and asteroids. But here's the wombat challenge. Read through that. You know, after you finish asteroids, you're going to learn some stuff, and then you can do the wombat challenge, and then you're going to do the asteroid project from the book, and then you can do the asteroid challenge. All right. So now go on to the asteroid